One thing the Lord cannot withstand, He melts like a candle. No matter how angry He is with you, no matter how frustrated He is with you, no matter how much He says, I will never answer this naughty child of mine, he is giving me hell, I will not answer him back. But the moment the Lord sees one little tiny drop of tear coming down your eyes, He forgets Himself also. He'll run to you, He'll fly to you faster than the speed of light. He'll embrace you, He'll cleanse you, He'll wash you, He'll change you, He'll bath you, He'll purify you, He'll take you as His son, and He will put you in the core of His holy heart. And He'll forget everything. Everything He'll forget. My sins that I do on a daily basis are washed away when Jesus sees these tears gushing down my eyes.